Planetary aspects of love and marriage simplified. Beginning with planetary aspects of attraction. The sign of your ascendant or descendant in conjunction or opposition to the Sun, Moon, Venus, or Mars of another person produces a strong attraction. For example, if you have Libra rising and you meet someone who has their Sun, Moon, Venus, or Mars in Libra, or the opposite sign, Aries, there will be an attraction. Instant attraction. Your Sun in conjunction or opposition to another person's Mars. If ever there was an aspect that causes two people to take notice of each other immediately, this is it. If your Sun is in Leo, you will be noticed by the people with Mars in Leo or the opposite sign Aquarius. Conversely, if your Mars is in Scorpio, you will take notice of Scorpio or Taurus, and they will equally take notice of you. Your Mars in conjunction or opposition to the Moon in another person's chart. If you have your Mars placed in Cancer, you will be drawn to a person with Moon in Cancer or the opposite sign Capricorn, and they will also be attracted to you. Planetary aspects of true love. At the top of this list goes Venus and Mars, either the conjunction or opposition. This is an aspect of sexual attraction, compatibility, and fulfillment. The fusion or the complement of Venus to Mars is where true satisfaction lies. So, if you have Venus in Gemini, a partner with their Mars in Gemini or Sagittarius will bring sexual satisfaction. The Sun-Moon conjunction or opposition also brings great emotional harmony and intimacy. A feeling of oneness prevails in these relationships. The planet Venus, conjunct or oppose the Sun or Moon, brings attraction, emotional harmony, and compatibility. Venus is adoring love, and the trine as well as the sextile aspect works to bring overall enjoyment in each other's company. Moon conjunct or opposed Moon brings harmony, especially if living together under the same roof. The Moon rules personal daily habits and the intimate self, and when harmoniously aspected, the two people involved never annoy one another or get in each other's way on a day-to-day basis. Aspects of mental compatibility. The planet Mercury in conjunction, opposition, trine, or sextile between two charts brings great communication, especially the conjunction and opposition. If you check the charts of your closest friends, you'll find harmonious Mercury aspects between you. Saturn, the tie that binds. The planet Saturn in your chart, in conjunction with the ascendant, Sun, Moon, or Venus in the chart of another, is usually called a fated tie and is described as being indicative of difficult karma between you and a partner which needs to be balanced. These Saturn conjunctions turn up with great regularity in long-term relationships, such as marriage. Initially, they are experienced as a feeling of familiarity, safety, and security when around that person, like coming home to an old friend. A feeling of mutual codependency and mutual need usually develops. a repeat of past lives spent together. Usually the trouble arises when one or both of you tries to control the other. If negative tendencies are worked through, then these ties can produce a bond of great loyalty, longevity, and stability. However, Saturn squares and oppositions from one chart to the personal planets of another usually produce resentment, estrangement, and bitter breakups over the long haul.